Earn your first $1,000 in a month with these realistic strategies. Freelance writing allows you to leverage your writing skills for quick cash. Many companies and individuals need content, from blog posts to marketing materials. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr make it easy to find clients and projects. Online tutoring lets you teach what you know and earn a steady income. Whether it's math, science, or languages, there's always a demand for knowledgeable tutors. Websites like VIPKid and Chegg Tutors connect you with eager students. Selling handmade crafts can turn your hobby into a profitable venture. Whether you create jewelry, home decor, or clothing, platforms like Etsy provide a marketplace for your unique creations. It's a great way to monetize your passion. Gig economy jobs offer flexible earning opportunities through apps like Uber and Lyft. You can set your own hours and work as much or as little as you want. It's a convenient way to make extra cash on your schedule. Pet sitting is an enjoyable way to earn money if you love animals. Platforms like Rover connect pet owners with sitters for short-term or long-term care. It's a rewarding job that combines responsibility with companionship. Freelance graphic design offers a lucrative avenue for those with a knack for creativity. By creating logos, marketing materials, and web graphics, you can help businesses stand out while building a portfolio that showcases your unique style. Pet sitting is a delightful way to earn extra income. Caring for pets in their own homes provides a comforting environment for the animals and peace of mind for the owners. Plus, it's a rewarding experience for animal lovers. Selling unused items is an effective method to declutter your space and make some quick cash. Online platforms make it easy to reach potential buyers, turning your old clothes, electronics, and furniture into profit with minimal effort. Food delivery services are a flexible job option for those looking to earn extra money. Partnering with companies like Uber Eats or DoorDash allows you to set your own hours and enjoy the benefits of tips and incentives. As a virtual assistant, you can provide administrative support from the comfort of your home. Tasks may include managing emails, scheduling appointments, and handling social media. This role offers the convenience of remote work and varied, engaging tasks. Renting out a room using Airbnb can be a lucrative way to generate extra income. By providing short-term accommodations, you can attract travelers looking for a more personalized experience compared to traditional hotels. Online surveys and market research offer a simple way to earn money by sharing your opinions. Companies value consumer feedback and are willing to pay for insights that help them improve their products and services. Social media management is a growing field where you can help businesses expand their online presence. By creating engaging content and managing accounts, you can attract followers and increase customer engagement for various brands. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn commissions by promoting products or services. By sharing affiliate links through blogs, social media, or email campaigns, you can generate income based on the sales you drive. Starting a blog can be a rewarding way to express your thoughts and interests while monetizing through ads and sponsorships. Consistent, high-quality content can attract readers and generate revenue over time. Offering carpool services to commuters can be a great way to earn extra income. By sharing your ride, you can help reduce traffic congestion, lower emissions, and make commuting more affordable for others. House cleaning services are always in demand. Many people are willing to pay for a clean and organized home. Whether it's regular upkeep or deep cleaning, your efforts can help busy households maintain a tidy living space. Seasonal jobs provide an excellent opportunity to earn money during peak times. Retail stores, event venues, and holiday markets often need extra staff. These temporary positions can offer flexible hours and valuable work experience. Selling stock photos can turn your photography hobby into a profitable venture. High-quality images are always needed for websites, marketing materials, and publications. By capturing unique and compelling shots, you can earn money from licensing fees. Transcription services involve converting audio recordings into written documents. This job requires good listening and typing skills. Many businesses, legal firms, and medical institutions need accurate transcriptions, making it a reliable source of income. Gardening services can be a lucrative venture, especially for those with a green thumb. Offering lawn care, landscaping, and garden maintenance can attract clients who lack the time or expertise to maintain their outdoor spaces. Participating in clinical trials offers a unique way to earn money while contributing to medical advancements. These studies often require varying levels of commitment and can provide substantial compensation for your time and effort. Renting out your car through platforms like Turo can turn your idle vehicle into a source of income. This option is particularly appealing in high-demand areas, offering flexibility and the potential for significant earnings. An Etsy shop is a great way to monetize your creativity by selling handmade or vintage items. This platform allows you to reach a global audience and build a brand around your unique products and talents. Dropshipping is an accessible way to start an online retail business without the hassle of inventory management. By partnering with suppliers, you can focus on marketing and customer service while they handle production and shipping. Creating a YouTube channel can be a lucrative venture. By producing engaging content, you can attract a large audience. Monetization options include ads, sponsorships, and merchandise sales, turning your passion into a profitable business. Offering fitness coaching allows you to share your expertise with clients. Personal training sessions can be conducted in person or online. Tailored fitness plans and guidance help clients achieve their goals while you earn a steady income. If you're bilingual, language translation services are in high demand. You can work with businesses, authors, and individuals. Translating documents, websites, or books provides a rewarding opportunity to leverage your language skills for profit. Providing tech support remotely is a viable income source. Many individuals and small businesses require IT assistance but lack in-house expertise. Offering solutions for software issues or cybersecurity concerns can establish you as a trusted tech professional. Selling digital products like ebooks or online courses taps into the growing market for self-improvement and learning. Once created, these products can be sold repeatedly, making them a sustainable source of passive income.